Okay, I'm gonna have you bend your elbow at 90 and neutral position, thumbs up, and the axis rotation is gonna be ulnar styler process, and the stationary arm is gonna be imaginary line perpendicular to the floor, and the mobile arm is gonna be laying across the wrist joint. And I'm gonna have you supinate.
Okay. Now.
That's 88, and the normal range of motion is 90. This is infraspinatus and teres minor manual muscle test. And I'm gonna have her lie prone like this, and I'm gonna place this towel to support her arm, and I'm gonna have her abduct her arm and flex her elbow in 90 degrees like this, and I'm gonna have you externally rotate first, and I'm gonna support her elbow here, and I'm gonna have you resist. That is 5, and the origin of this muscle is, origin of the infraspinatus is infraspinatus fossa of the scapula, and it inserts to the greater tubercle. And for the teres minor, it originates from the lateral border and posterior surface of the scapula, and it inserts to the greater tubercle as well. And the plane of motion is in transverse plane. This is hip internal rotation range of motion test.
You're good.
And I'm gonna have you sit. And the axis rotation is gonna be anterior patella. And the stationary arm is going to be
we're all done.
Perpendicular to the floor, and the mobile arm is going to be aligned with the anterior crest of the tibia. And I'm going to have you move your heels laterally. That's 31, and normal range of motion is 35. This is extensor hallucis longus manual muscle test. I'm gonna have you sit on the table and put her foot on my thigh, and I'm gonna put one hand under calcaneus and stabilize the metatarsals. And I'm gonna have you extend your big toe, and I'm gonna have you resist. That's a 5, and the origin of the muscle is middle anterior surface of fibula and anterosoas margin, and the insertion is distal phalanx. And the plane of motion is in sagittal plane. And I'm gonna have you flex your neck towards sternum, and I'm gonna measure one end in the tip of the chin to sternal notch, and that's 3.7, and normal range of motion is 1 through 4.3 centimeters. Okay, this is a muscle manual test for quadratus lumborum, and I'm gonna have you lie supine like this, and I'm gonna hold your ankle with both hands, and I'm gonna have you hike your hip. Yep, and I'm gonna have you resist. That's a 5. And the origin is medial half of the posterior iliac crest and iliolumbar ligament, and the insertion is transverse processes of L1 to L4 and medial half of 12th group. And the plane is frontal.